One of the questions we always ask people, can you obey all the rules? Can you follow all the procedures? Can you wear all of your personal protective equipment and still get injured? And the answer is always yes.
There are two parts to safety. One is the traditional approach in which we use rules, procedures, in which we try to get into compliance. But Lean BBS is an advanced strategy. It's not for sites that are still struggling with the basics. It's for sites that want to go above and beyond. The lean behavior-based safety process begins with the worker. What are the workers already doing for safety, and what are their further opportunities to be even better? The way we spearhead this is we put together a group of these workers to steer the process. This group of people learns the basics of lean BBS, and then the first thing they do is they analyze the accident data coming from the site, generally over the past 3 years or so. From this analysis of the accidents, we develop a checklist of the behaviors that would make the biggest difference in safety. These are precautions. Precautions are behaviors that lower the probability of an accident.
The items on a checklist for years have been 20, 30, 40 items. And here's one of the principles we always have to remember around a behavior-based safety process. If we don't get these behaviors, these precautions, if we don't get them into people's heads, they're never going to be in their habits. So ideally, we tend to focus on 3, 4, 5, 6 precautions at most.
Now, Lean BBS is BBS, but it also borrows strategy from Lean. And the basic pieces of a lean strategy have to do with 4 main areas. Number 1 is that everything has to be customized. That means it has to be fit for purpose.
A lot of the approaches that have been out there around behavior-based safety and change management in general essentially try to make your operation fit a predefined methodology. That's not going to be effective here. We have to stay true to the principles for sure, but we have to make the approach fit the organization rather than the other way around.